Brian Sensei here. Have you ever been in a situation where you have to send the same email message out to multiple people, but you want to personalize it so you send them one at a time? In this video, I'm going to show you a faster way to do this using Mail Merge in Word and push out your messages through Outlook email. Let's dig in. Okay, so here I am in Microsoft Word, and I've written up the message here that will go out to all students at my School of Rock.
I'm talking about bands that rock! Led Zeppelin!
This email is notifying them of their final grade for the semester. So here I have a holding place for the final grade. And then at the top, I also will have a holding place to put each individual's name. So these will be customized per email. All right, so in order to do this, I need a spreadsheet of all these student information. So here I've got a spreadsheet with first name, last name, final grade, and then you'll notice here I also need to have their email address. All right, I'm going to go ahead and close this file. Now, here I am back at Word. I'm going to go up to the ribbon and I'm going to click on Mailings. From here, we're going to start Mail Merge. And we're going to select Email Messages. All right, now at this point, we need to pull in our spreadsheet. So we're going to click Select Recipients and then use an existing list. From here, I'll navigate to that spreadsheet I just had open. Here it is. This will open up and I have an opportunity to select a specific sheet in the file. In this case, I only have one sheet. Also here, make sure this box is checked if your data contains column headers. Otherwise, you can uncheck that. Then I'll click OK. All right, so now I can begin merging in the data. So at the top, instead of this Hey Rockstar, I'm going to put the student name here. So I'll delete that, and then I'll go up here to Insert Merge Field. And I'll put the first name, so I'll select first. And you can see there now that it's labeled first, meaning it will pull in the first name of each individual. All right, now at the final grade, I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I'll be pulling in their actual grade. So I'll go back to Insert Merge Field, and this time I'll select the final grade column. All right, here we see it placed there. Now something else to call out is you can format the text of the data that will be pulled in here. So you can utilize your text formatting tools right here. I'm going to go ahead and make this bold so it stands out a little. And I'll also change the color. We'll make this a bluish color. All right, so we're now pretty much ready to pull everything in. The next thing is to preview the results before we send it off. So I'll click here, Preview Results. And now we can see the first student in the list is Liam. His name's been pulled in. And we can see his final grade has also been pulled in. I can go up here and click Next. And we can see the next student, Olivia, final grade A+. And I can go through each and every page just to quickly preview, make sure everything looks okay and it's coming in the way I want it. No surprises. All right, so now we're going to click Finish and Merge. And here we are sending email messages. We're not printing. So I'm going to select this third option. And now it's asking, who are we sending this to? These are the column headers in my spreadsheet. And so of course we want the email column. Here we can type in the subject line. And the mail format, you have an option here. It can be an attachment, it can be plain text, or it can be HTML. I'm going to go ahead and use HTML. And we're sending all of the records, not just the current one. You can also do a specific range if you'd like, and I'll simply click OK. And we can see here that everything is processing. We can see all the names changing here and the grades. Okay, once it has finished running through all of the names, you can now close Microsoft Word. It will ask you if you'd like to save this file. It will basically save the connection to your spreadsheet. If you plan on sending this out again in the future to the same recipients, you can always modify the message later, or you can just go ahead and don't save. Now, the final thing is to open up the Outlook application so that the emails get sent out. Now, note that this only works using Outlook Classic. So you'll want to make sure you open up Classic and not the newer version of Outlook. I'll go ahead and open this up and I'll go to my outbox. And you're going to see here all these emails are queued up to send out to the students. So I'll simply go up here now to send receive and send receive all folders. All right, and we can see that it is processing here. Everything's getting sent out, and we'll go ahead and let this finish. Okay, so you can see here that it has completed sending all the email messages. There is nothing left in the outbox. And we can also click on Sent Items to verify that these were all in fact sent out. And yes, this looks good. If you liked this video, please give it a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more of this content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please complete the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.